You asked, how to divide 4096 by 4 using the long division method. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. 1 times 4 equals 4. 4 minus 4 equals 0. Bring down 0, making 0. 0 divided by 4 equals 0. 0 times 4 equals 0. 0 minus 0 equals 0. Bring down 9, making 9. 9 divided by 4 equals 2. 2 times 4 equals 8. 9 minus 8 equals 1. Bring down 6, making 16. 16 divided by 4 equals 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. 16 minus 16 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 1024.